We're just walking by the truck here and found ourselves a little friend on the ground. Friendly little millipede. These guys do bite, so gotta be careful. It's not something I want to mess with. We're gonna leave him alone. Morning of day 18. Good morning, everybody. Still in the mountains of North Carolina, up above Curtis Creek Campground. And as you can see, the fog is rolling in this morning. Kind of just as about we're going to roll out. So how was last night? It was pretty quiet. There was some cars coming up the road up until, well, I don't know, 9 o'clock or so. People looking for spots. It was Friday night last night. And the campground down at the bottom of the hill was full, so a lot of people were zipping around trying to find spots. Nobody really came and bugged us or anything. We were pretty much by ourselves over there. It's Saturday, so it's not going to be easy to find a spot today. We're giving up our free spot that we have. We can stay here up to 14 days, but we're giving this up today to hopefully go and find something better. Just missed them, but there's some wild turkeys. You can see them kind of moving around back there. There's his head. There's about 3 or 4 wild turkeys right on the road here. How cool is that? Driving on the Blue Ridge Parkway right now, which is like a famous mountain highway. It's very, very foggy down in the mountain valleys down there, though, you can see. So it's kind of hard to see the actual full view that you can appreciate at different times during the day, but still impressive nonetheless. I mean, look at that.
It's not easy to overlook right now, but that's okay.
Single Cat Ridge overlook. Here we go. Thick fog covering the entire mountain range. We're right in the middle of it. Tunnel here, how cool. On the Blue Ridge Parkway. Looks like we got another one coming up here. Here's the side view. So we found a place to stay tonight. We reserved a spot at Staunton River State, I'm saying this wrong, but Staunton River State Park in Virginia, which is just across the border from North Carolina into Virginia. So we're gonna go to Winston-Salem first, check out that town, see if it's any good, and then move on from there. Eventually we're gonna end up in Virginia. Right now we're only about 3 hours and 15 minutes away from our destination point. Check-in time and probably isn't for a while, I'm assuming. So, you know, we're gonna go hit Winston-Salem, maybe walk around, check out the town, kill some time until we start heading to another new state.
In a quarter mile, use the middle lane to take exit 108B for Research Parkway.
Downtown Winston-Salem. Don't know what the giant white building is there. Wells Fargo Center, apparently. There's City Hall over here. All right, so we're downtown Winston-Salem, just kind of walking around, checking it out. It's pretty empty as far as the streets go. A lot of the shops and stuff are closed, so it doesn't seem like there's a lot we can do right now on a Saturday. This park. It was a nice cemetery that we drove by earlier. Bam, 4,000 miles on the trip. Quite the milestone there, actually. And again, we're not even really halfway done at this point, so could end up with around 10,000 or so coming to you live from Staunton River State Park in Virginia. That's right, another new state for us today. So actually, we didn't cross North Carolina off earlier, so we crossed North Carolina off the map and Virginia off the map once we got here. And we're just gonna stay here for the night. It was like $35 to stay here, no hookups. I kind of regret not doing the hookups because it was only like $5 more. We could have had power to charge some stuff, but it's fine. There's a water spigot over there. There's a bathroom. The sites are pretty close together, but I mean that's pretty normal for campgrounds in the South as we've seen here. So, but it's the first time we've had neighbors in a couple days. Our one neighbor at the other campground was non-existent basically, so yeah, we're back with the people basically. And then heading to Richmond tomorrow. We're about to get the fire going though and cook up some Impossible Burger.